Hello, happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's doing well. Let's do this. Let's observe the market and trade well and give good performance. Let's load things up. Mm. I'm sorry there won't be any background music today. It's just like sometimes it wants to work, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know a workaround yet, but I will be actively trying to work on that. Not actively now, but actively after the stream. Okay. So today will be all about going nice and slow, focus on high quality, and walking away when when it makes sense to walk away, either no trade or a trade, and making sure that if we are going to trade, it's going to be high quality. We don't have to look for more. We don't have to look for less, and no matter the outcome, we walk away, win, lose, or break even. Okay, let's quickly look at news because I want to know. I know Trump did something again. Hey Tanish, how are you, man? Mm-mm-mm. So we're taking a bit of a hit. Okay, so oil again rises, work continues basically. That was what I was thinking in the back of my head. That get back chunker as yeah, because the war is still continuing. So it's like he said military things are paused, but it's not like everything was paused. So, yep, that's expected. So we're taking a little bit of a hit, nothing crazy, but we could still accelerate lower. Thank you, man. Yeah, I enjoy it, but I'm also preparing my next video, which is not like trading related, that I'm really excited about. But basically everything is ready for that. Just gotta just record it now. Um, then I have to edit it, and editing takes a while. Like the more I think, editing is, I can see why people don't like to edit, but it's fun because you just find ways to get better. Okay, so on the 1 day, 1 week, yeah, so we can see we're already like retracing back lower, and on the one day, we can see that we're already like trying to open lower, but on NQ it's interesting because we just did a wick test of Monday's low. So it's a wick test. I don't know if we'll chop here. I don't know if we'll accelerate. Let's see how we play this area. And that's about it. Let's get to the 4 hour, 1 hour. Okay, so yeah, after that we just slowly bled lower. Buyers did step in for a bit but failed. Um, and once they failed, we're just like now trying to see if we react because we actually already played the wick test. Okay, interesting. Oh no, we actually pushed under the wick test. We played the level. And let's see if we probably get a wick test right here, but let's see if we, it looks like we're gonna get acceleration, but only time can tell. And on the 1 hour, it's very similar. Really under these EMAs, pretty bullish structure, a bearish structure. Um, we already kind of played this a little bit of accumulation area. The question is, will buyers step in or will we break lower? So we're gonna look for that basically. Now we'll get to the 30 minutes. So nothing really here for me to say because it's basically what I saw in the 1 hour and 4 hour. And the only thing that I'll be careful of if buyers do step in, the reaction to the EMA. And same goes for the 50-minute. I want to see how we react to the EMA if we do push higher. And the VIX is spiking again. We're at 27. Okay, let's get to the 1 minute, 5 minute. This time I will remember to log in. Okay, I'm having a difficulty typing. Yikes. Yeah, there we go. Aggressive seller stepping in. Looks we have liquidity lower too. Okay, so we can see that we were trading Friday's value area and we broke lower. Same goes for ES. We're already accelerating lower. So this is the structure right now. You have a little bit of a divergence with NQ making a much lower low, and ES still not making a low yet. So could be bought up. Let's see. The market may give a little bit more pain before it makes the actual move. Yeah, so same goes here. We've been having a little bit of a divergence here. We failed to make a new high. We made a new high. Seller stepped in. So that's going to be interesting to see what happens here. But yeah, we just basically played overnight lows. Um, Made a new low right now. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Yeah, let's see. I want to see the reaction here. So yeah, we're breaking down now. We got a low volume node right here. Like to see that get filled. Or not. Let's see what happens. No, low volume node right here too. So buyers stepping in once we broke this level. Okay, nice. Mm. Okay, so we basically just made a new low, but the question is that okay, this is a pretty good buyer's reaction, but this could be literally just liquidity seeking. We just played a low volume node. Sellers could take advantage of this for liquidity. Okay, have a sip of coffee in the meantime. Hmm. Okay, it's back. So it's accumulating here. Little bit of a manipulation. A little bit of noise. Okay, I'm green lighted the trade. I don't think I can use Chrome anymore. Chrome is just so RAM intensive, like for no absolute reason. I mean, I do have a lot of things open, but it could be better. And buyers do make a lot higher high here. Could potentially target a low volume node if it's for 10 points. Yeah, that could work. Basically, if we get some acceleration past the wick, we could accelerate into. I mean, yes, this could play the whole volume. Could honestly play the wick test, to be honest with you. A little bit of noise. Okay. Yeah. Could probably play to view up too, but no need. Aggressive buyer stepped in, filled me nicely. Let's see if it did play. It's 2 seconds left. I think it was a good exit getting out of low volume mode. I basically played the whole low volume mode. Good win, probably 15 points. Let me see how much it was actually. Oh, it was a 20, oh, near 20 point trade. Wow, okay. I'm thankful. I mean, I didn't have to, Firefox? Firefox. You think? Firefox. Maybe. I don't know, man. Like, the problem with me, I'm such a, like, typical browser consumer, if that makes sense. Like, it's either Safari or Chrome for me. And Safari I like, but Safari is just so hungry for like it always uses my like in like so much CPU performance. Like right now, Safari is 138%. Like chill, Safari, calm down, go back to sleep. But it's not. It's so like it's pretty CPU intensive. So now I was like, let me go to Chrome. But Chrome here is taking 42 gigabytes of RAM. Like, okay. So, and Safari is like light. So I have the RAM to do it. And on Chrome, what I like is that you can end tasks, so you can start saving RAM. Um, but it's not the it's just annoying because let's say I want to save some RAM, I have to end the task on like Task Manager, but then it gives me this ugly page. Like, let me show you. So, like, look, I was watching this video, for example. This video is probably taking, let's see, this video is taking, I do have to close this anyway. This video is taking 3 gigabytes of RAM. Wow. Why? It's like, and I wake up to this stuff. I'm not even using this. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna end it, the task. So now I see this screen. And this screen is like not pretty. I don't want to see this. This is aesthetically not pleasing. But it's the only way I can start saving RAM. Anyways, or just close things, but oh yeah, this is my startup. Right here. Still working on it though. But I might try Firefox. I mean, I tried like ChatGPT, Atlas, Comet. They're just no. I mean, Firefox I know is good, but I should just try it. I just want to see if it's like if it's good on the CPU and RAM. I'd rather have more CPU upside than RAM because I have enough RAM. I just my computer needs more performance when it's doing all these things. Okay, so what am I doing? Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go look at the trading performance. Oh, I didn't take a photo of the trade I took. Mm, 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 mm. So what do you like about Firefox though? Okay, so that's good. Let's now look at the. Oh yeah, I can close this. So that was a good win. It was not exactly 20 points, which is fine, completely fine, but I'm happy that I opened it up a bit. I could have just kept the 10 points, but it made sense to play a little bit more. Like we got deceleration, the low volume node needed to be filled, and it worked fine. So I'm happy I did it. So what am I doing? I'm going here, yes. Okay. So overall, maybe I got slipped a bit too, potentially. So but total is 2040. So okay. Firefox uses less RAM. I could try it. I'll actually try it. Let me put it here so I remember. Now, does it like have cool features? Oh, they have groups. Yeah, it's gonna be similar to Chrome because I really like the groups. Like I have a lot of groups here too. Safari groups are like I think the best so far, but Chrome groups are cool, but it could be better. Like I wish that I don't like Chrome groups. I can see they have groups too. Let's see how it goes. Cause the thing is, I have a lot of shit open, but it's actually not. I don't have that much open. It's just like some things, like YouTube things or like Claude, ChatGPT, Stream, Spotify, um, GitHub. All those things are like taking 2 GB each. Pretty crazy. Okay, cool. So that's basically it. I'm gonna call it. I mean, I did my job, took a good trade, proud of the trade. I'm proud I opened it up. I'm proud that I waited for that acceleration, had a good entry. Good risk could have been a little bit better, but at least I got to reduce a little bit of my risk once I started to hesitate. And yeah, I'm happy. I'm satisfied. Tomorrow I won't be here, so I'm glad that I could close, not closing the week, but taking a 2 day break, and I'll be back on Friday. So it's nice that I get to end it like that. I feel good. I feel privileged or like proud, whatever. Um, yeah, you can tweak UI. Okay, that's cool. Hmm. Let's see. I like that. Like a part of me like wishes I could make my own browser just because I have like specific needs that I want on my browser. But I do like the new ChatGPT, Atlas, and Comet because you get automation, but you don't really. It's not really like baked in the best. Yeah, it's cool, but it's not like great. Mm. Even if you do the automation on like just another like just a normal web page, you still get the same experience. Okay, well, I'm gonna head out. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you all next time. See you all next time, and take care.